Dear viewers, our topic today is Frankfurt School and Critical Theory. The Frankfurt School was a group of scholars associated with the Institute for Social Research at Goethe University in Frankfurt, Germany. The school was founded in the late 1920s and early 1930s. It was initially funded by a wealthy businessman named Felix Weil, who was interested in promoting Marxist theory and social research. The early members of the school included Max Horkheimer, Theodor Adorno, and Herbert Marcuse, among others. Theoretical assumptions. The Frankfurt School was a critical and interdisciplinary approach to social theory. Social theory is the science responsible for studying the phenomena related to human activity and society. Thus, Frankfurt School drew from a variety of disciplines like philosophy, sociology, psychology, and cultural studies. The scholars associated with the school were interested in understanding the underlying structures of modern society and how these structures contributed to social inequality and oppression. They believed that traditional Marxist theory was too simplistic and focused too narrowly on economic factors, ignoring the role of culture, ideology, and psychology in shaping social reality. The Frankfurt School's approach to social theory was known as critical theory. Critical theory was characterized by its focus on understanding the social, economic, and political structures that underlie modern society and by its commitment to social justice and human liberation. Critical theory sought to expose the hidden power structures that perpetuated inequality and oppression, and to challenge the dominant cultural and political narratives that supported these structures. In the 1930s, many of the members of the school were forced to flee Germany due to the rise of the Nazi regime. The school was re-established in the United States, where it continued to influence social theory and cultural studies. To conclude, the Frankfurt School was uneasy with the reductionist approach of Marxist theory. It was interested in understanding how the underlying structures of modern society perpetuated social inequality and oppression. Thank you very much.